LearnMate Agent. Many LearnMate courses work in conjunction with Intelitek's 3D simulation software to provide students with virtual and hands-on learning experiences. LearnMate Agent enables students to operate external Intelitek software without the need for a software license. Additionally, LearnMate Agent can launch pre-configured files tailored to specific course activities. To launch software using a LearnMate Agent.lmb file, you must first install the agent and the required simulation software. You can download LearnMate Agent from your site's help and support block. Simply run the downloaded .exe file to install it. The simulation software is available at the Intelitek download site, which can be accessed here. Once both are installed, go to your desired activity and click the Launch button to download the LMB file. Opening this file will automatically launch the software and load the exact scenario you need for that lesson. Note that the first time you run an LMB file, you may need to select which simulation software to open.